How to remove double blue arrows from every icons in Windows 10. Open File Explorer. Go to Double Blue Icons folder. Firstly, remove double blue icons from single file. Right-click on File, then go to File Properties. Open General tab. Click on Advanced. Open Advanced Attributes. Uncheck Compress Contents. To remove the double blue arrow, you have to do the same process with the folder. Double blue arrow have been removed. To remove the double blue arrow, you have to do the same process with the disk. Double blue arrow have been removed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.